Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we got a very funny article. It's not really funny for the person who ordered this food, but Kit Kat, do you think it's funny? Where is she? She's not laughing. Anyway, so today we are talking about a very pissed off DoorDash driver. Very pissed off DoorDash driver. This happened about a month ago, and it's hilarious. But first, before we get into the story, if you guys haven't downloaded the PAR app, it might make you a happier driver. I feel like if this driver had the PAR app, maybe she wouldn't be so mad. Maybe she still would have been, or maybe she would have been extra mad because she would have known that she was definitely not getting a post tip on this order. So if you guys haven't yet, download the PAR app. It's at the top of my description. Just click on the link, download it, go straight to your phone, and you will see full tip transparency because DoorDash likes to hide your tips from you, and I personally am not about it. Where'd you go, Kit Kat? Oh, now she's hiding. She is a little camera shy. Oh, can't see her. There she is. Anyways, enough with my cat. Alright, so, welcome back to another video. My name is Tanner Markley. If you guys are not subscribed, and if you guys are subscribed, my name is still Tanner Markley. So, today we are talking about let's start, where should we start this? Well, the article is titled, Disgruntled DoorDash Driver Accused of Crashing Vehicle into Customer's Car Over Tip. Where are you going? Now she's hiding under the bed. Anyway, so the Lithuanian man, Lithuania. What is that a city? Lithuania man? I don't know. It must be a city. Lithuania man's doorbell surveillance camera captured the moment where this woman reportedly crashed her vehicle into his car. You crashed your own vehicle into someone's car because you were mad? Okay, weird, but I guess you must not like your car or something. Yeah, she intentionally struck it, said the Lithuania man. Poindexter said he and his fiancée were attending a pool party when they ordered food to be delivered to their Lithuania residence. Where the heck is Lithuania? For their teenage daughter and her two siblings on Sunday night. Soon after, the couple said they received profanity-laced text messages from the DoorDash delivery driver. The girl responded back, "Next time you want to get something to eat, order something closer if you are not going to leave a bigger tip." What? Damn, she is pissed. This must be a Decline Now person, because I feel like the Decline Now people were very, very rage-laced group, to say the least. I don't know. Most of them were nice, but like when I joined that group, I was like, damn, these people are pissed about DoorDash. Anyways. The girl, blah, blah, blah. My girlfriend immediately contacted DoorDash and said she did not want the order. Somehow, the order still got through. Can't cancel your order now. You are screwed. Now you got a pissed off DoorDasher coming to your house to wreck shit. Somehow, the order still went through. The family's doorbell camera recorded the driver dropping the food off on Poindexter's front porch. She pulled off for like 15-20 minutes, said Poindexter. I guess the guy's name is Poindexter. What a bad name to have, not gonna lie. Poindexter. Then text my girl and told her she was going to be sitting on the doorstep when she gets there. I haven't read this article yet, by the way. I just saw it and was like, this is interesting. She's going to be sitting on the doorstep when she gets there. What the hell? That's just where Poindexter found her and when he pulled up to the house. He says he confronted the woman, demanded to see her driver's license, then order her off the property. As you should. She walked off. This is getting good. She walked off and then told us, "Don't worry, I'll be back." Oh my God, now you have a DoorDash stalker. Ooh, this is getting juicy. "Don't worry, I'll be back," she said. "I'll be back." Like freaking Terminator or something. She got in her car, pulled in the driveway, turned around, drove her car all up side of my car. Top speed. I tried to chase her, so she scraped his car on the way out. That's crazy. The couple contacted the police and called DoorDash to report the incident. Poindexter said that they left frustrated by the company's response. Man, I gotta get a freaking security cameras on my house. DoorDash act like they don't want to get involved with it. He said, I feel like DoorDash, they should be held responsible too. Well, see, here's the thing. We're all independent contractors. I don't know if DoorDash is actually responsible for that, you know? I think she's responsible, but I don't know. I feel like DoorDash could be responsible if you really wanted to get technical and you really took an attorney to it or something. Fox 5 Atlanta contacted the food delivery service about the incident. A company spokesman told Fox 5, the safety of our community is paramount. Immediately upon learning of this incident, we investigated and took the appropriate actions based on our user policies. We stand ready to assist law enforcement in their investigation into this matter. I feel like they just write this shit down, and whenever someone contacts them, they just repeat the same lingo over and over and over. Hello? Room service trying to come to my room. I just gave one of the room service people tickets to our show the other day. He was stoked. I felt really good. He was definitely from Jamaica or something, and he's a room service person here. And I felt really bad because it looks like a really tough job, and it looks like he can barely speak English. Anyways, Poindexter said the whole thing left a bad taste in his mouth. Yeah, he probably ordered on Uber Eats. I don't know that it really matters. I'll never use I'll never use room service again. I'll never use DoorDash again, he said. And that's the end of the article. Wow, very interesting. Guys, if you are pissed off about someone not leaving a tip, just deny the order. I mean, if you're really pissed off, I'm not even going to get into that. I'm not going to get into that. I was going to say eat their french fries or something, but don't do that. Don't do that. I don't know. Just keep denying the orders. Man, I just feel bad for the people who do take these $3 orders, because that's messed up. It is not fair to a gig driver to take a $3 order, and there's just people out there who don't know any better, which is the unfortunate truth. When I first started, I wanted to keep my acceptance rate really high, but granted, when I first started, there was a $7 minimum, and DoorDash just decreased the minimum. And there's only one person who's happy about that, and that's, I keep burping. Only one person is happy about that, and that is Bentley Coop. He is the only person that is happy about our decrease in pay, because he's like, I'm already making YouTube money. I don't care. I don't know. It's kind of weird that he was happy about that. If you guys haven't seen yesterday's video, it's a pretty funny reaction video, I think. But anyways, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys download that PAR app. That way you'll be a happier dasher, because you will know exactly how much money you are going to make before you accept the delivery. And also, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. And also, smash that like button for me. Go to offaxisathletics.com, that is my footwear company, and use the discount code OFFAXISTANNER for 30% off. If you guys want some awesome shoes that I personally wear every single day of my life. I'm wearing them right now. Bam! Best grip of any shoe on the market. And we made them like that because we run up trampoline walls and stuff. Anyways, we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.